done made it out here to Black Gold Harley Davidson. The people are out here, man. You see it's hot as a mug. If you want your bike washed, you got the ladies over here washing the bikes. And man, people lining up to get the bikes washed. They got different vendors here. They got a food truck here. They got a snow cone truck here. And they got the ladies washing the bikes. They got them cleaning them up, y'all. Yeah, so come on out and get it done. Yeah. So yeah, man. So yeah, we out here, baby. So let's get some content, babe. One thing I say about Black Gold, man, they always got something going on. They always got something going on. Let's go in the store, baby. We've been up here all week, feel like it. Yep. They in here, baby. They are in here. They are in here. So yeah. What up, man? How you doing?
How are you?
I'm good. Yeah, they in here, baby. They got a live band that's gonna be going on today. They got all that going on. What's up? Now what happened? What happened to you?
Mud wrestling.
You choke her out. What's up, man? I'm chilling, man.
I'm sorry your part got stolen, whatever.
Oh yeah, they got me. They got me for the breather. Tab sent me another one, so I'm cool. Yeah. They sponsor me now, so.
Tab? What did
It's off.
No, it's air breather.
Yeah. They that's their breather too. That zombie breather. That's Tab Performance zombie breather.
I didn't know that. It was a different name. I thought you said.
Yeah.
Sorry, this boring video.
No, you good. No. Let's get back to you.
I had surgery.
Okay. You good?
Yeah, I'm okay.
That's good.
I just couldn't stay in the house anymore.
I feel you on that. Even though it's hot, you couldn't stay in the house.
After 5 days, I was like, I'm done.
I thought that was you. I look, man. I'm like, is that my dude? This my dude here, y'all. I call him Scottie P. Don't he look like Scottie Pippen? So we work together at R&L Carriers. Yeah, yes sir.
He could do a goddamn thing there.
This your wife?
Yeah.
How you doing? I'm Kelly. Right, bro. What you finna get? You finally finna get on the Harley?
I'm trying, man.
Man, go on. They gonna get you on one, dog.
I'm trying, man.
They gonna get you on one. How you doing?
How's it going, man?
Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I got some stickers and some bands out there. I need to go grab them. All right. Hey, you got to come and register. They got a $10,000 sweepstake today for Black Gold Harley Davidson. You hear that? $10,000 shopping spree right here at Black Gold. That's why I said they always doing. And I'm thinking they're giving away a bike too, so I'm not sure. But I'm gonna go grab these stickers and step out the truck.
My good man.
What's going on, man? How you doing? Nice to meet you. How you doing? Kelly B, man.
Like that shirt.
Appreciate it, man. What's up? See what you got, man. See what you're working with.
Yeah, good on or you're
You welcome? Appreciate you, bro. You all right with me. I don't care what they say about you back here.
What the hell? What they been saying?
You looking at the one with the T-bar setup? Oh boy, I thought I said you finna go out like that? Sound good, bro. Hey, look good on you, brother. You got the blue shirt, the hat. Hey, you already matching, Doc. Oh, it sounds good, bro. Sound good.
There he is.
Look at that right there.
Man with the plan.
We got Aquaman and Frontman. How they come up with Aquaman and Frontman? What do Frontman mean?
I mean, I'm always in the front.
Since you Aquaman, you must can swim. Y'all look at, they got all kind of desserts up here. Look at it. Oh, look at that. That's nice. Who did that? You did that?
Breeze Bakery.
Okay. Nice. This is George, y'all. This is the guy who bought me my first 360 selfie stick, and I don't have a 360 yet. Hopefully he'll buy me the 360.
We gotta get them. Let's work as a team.
Exactly. How you doing, man?
Doing good. That's
Nice
Danny. That's Kelly B. Kelly B. Gliding.
Yes, sir.
yeah.
Yeah. So nice to meet you. So yeah, man, that's my dude George, man. Great guy. Ever since I met him, hit it off, and got me my first selfie stick. I got it at home, ready to get my 360. So yeah. Have y'all made a decision yet?
We're working on it.
You still working on it? What they doing, Doc?
Taken care of.
You gonna get it taken? Okay, make sure they
We always get it taken
Make
care
sure he gets some before he leave here. Make sure he gets something. All right. But yeah, man, how you doing? So yeah, man, just having a good time up here, man. I'm gonna go show you. I need one of them snow cones right there. They got snow cones up here and everything. Mike, what's your position in this store, man?
General manager.
And what else you do?
Whatever it takes.
Whatever it takes.
I help out my man here, get his bike all pimped out.
Right.
You know what I mean? Hey, Harley Davidson's all about the lifestyle, living the dream.
And living the dream and spending the money.
Hey, money's always good here.
Yeah, always good. Anywhere. Anywhere, man. That's a good dude right there, man. How you doing? Nice to meet you. I done heard about you, but nice to meet you.
What's up, bro?
Man, I was looking for you. I wondered if you were coming.
Yeah, I just got here not too long.
Hey, if y'all don't remember this face right here, this sea lion that rode me to Knoxville. 13 hours, baby.
Love it. What a ride.
Yeah, it was a nice ride, man. It was cool, man, but man, now it's just too hot to ride, dude.
Yes,
I'm about ready to go home and get in the AC.
I didn't even ride, man. I'm riding.
My dude just bought this bike, y'all.
Attention all black gold Harley Davidson customers and employees. We would like to welcome to the black gold family on their new road line. Let's give it up for Crystal and Frisco.
Yes, sir. Welcome to the Harley family, baby. Yes, sir. Congratulations.
That's what the Google review will be.
Yes, sir. My boy just bought his road glide. Now he can get off that. I think he got a 1,000. Now he can get off of that, man. So yeah, we gonna ride, baby. So we gonna holler at my dude back here real quick.
Hello, Kelly.
What's up, Derek? What's up, Doc? Yeah, I'm good, man. I'm good. Hey, that 128. Woo. Hey, dude, I almost came off of it. That sucker pulled me like that. My hands left the bars, bro. Oh yeah, it'll be here Wednesday. Yeah, man. Austin on lunch. I just want to holler at him one more time before I get out of here. He must be going to lunch or he off for the day because he got this place clean. But I'm tell y'all, if you want your bike done right, Black Gold does your bike right. You know, you find good mechanics. What's going on, man? You find good mechanics here and there, you know, different shops. But Black Gold my shop, baby. I'm telling y'all right now. But yeah, but I'm probably gonna cut this day short, man. It's hot. And I'm ready to go home and relax. I'm about to wait till it cool off a little bit. It's too freaking hot out here, y'all. So you see we still got the festivities going on out here. It's just so freaking hot. Still got the live band out here, but y'all, I think a lot of people finna go cause it's burning up out here. It's gonna be 105 today. 105. Got the CVO. I can't believe y'all even sitting out here, dog.
Yeah, I ride it.
It is too freaking hot, man. That's why I was sitting on the inside. Hey, I ain't from Africa. now my people from Africa. I ain't from Africa. Shoot. I'm from the country, man. You know, it's really cool in the country, man. Yeah, man, your boy probably go home. It's too hot out here to be videoing today, y'all. I need some cool AC. That's why I've been on the inside today.